Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this chickpea melt. All the ingredients are vegan. I think this is a great swap for anyone who wants to replace tuna salad, and it's also a great way to incorporate some chickpeas into your diet. One of my favorite parts of making this is having the leftover chickpea salad to use again throughout the week. So definitely try out this recipe and comment below if you do. And let's get into making this recipe. So first I'm going to be chopping up some celery. Then I'm going to start mashing up some chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans. Next I'm going to be adding some vegan mayo. This one I'm using is from the Just brand called Just Mayo. And I'm also using some vegan spread from Trader Joe as I was running low on the Just Mayo. Next I'm going to be using some onion. This one is green onion. Before, when I made this recipe, I used red onion. So I'm sure a sweet onion or a white onion would do well also. So really it's just whatever onion you prefer to use in this recipe. Now I add back in the chopped celery and I mix it all up, and then I add some seasonings. For this recipe I used salt, pepper, and paprika. You can also add some garlic powder and onion powder if you'd like, and you can use any other seasonings that you prefer. Now I'm going to assemble the chickpea melt. So first I start off with some bread. This one is gluten-free, and I'm going to add some vegan cheese. This is from the brand 𝚂𝚃𝙰𝙀. I know everyone says it differently. And then I just add on the chickpea salad on top. Then all you have to do is just toast it and eat it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!